Hello, students. Good morning, students. You know it very well that we have learnt the first five topics in English grammar. I think you are also well known to the names of these five topics. The first topic was the tenses, the second topic was the voices, the third topic was the modal auxiliary verb, and the fourth topic was the subject verb concord, and the fifth topic was the clauses. Having learned these five topics quite successfully and thoroughly, leaving no part behind, now we should start learning the next topic. And this the topic is also the part of your syllabus, bete. And I hope you must have learned this the topic in the previous examinations, if I am not wrong. So kindly guess it, what it could be. I think you have guessed it. Dear students, the name of the topic is the determiners. The determiners. And it is really very, very important topic. It is used in so many statements in spoken English. One can hardly expect. That's why the importance of this topic is much more than the other ones. So let's start learning the topic. So I would like to write in the next topic. It is the topic number 6, part integrated grammar. GRAMMAR, grammar integrated. GRATED, grammar integrated. Okay. Topic number 6, grammar integrated. The name of the text is grammar and the name of the topic is integrated. There are three parts of grammar. We divide grammar into different three parts, namely section A, reading skill, section B, writing skill, and the section C, applied grammar, objective grammar, or you may call it integrated grammar. Okay. Topic 6. Name of the topic is the determiners. The DETER, determiners. MINERS, the determiners. So first of all, I would like to write the definition. Okay. What is, question number first, what is a determiner? What is a determiner? This is the question. Answer is very simple. A determiner, so called a noun modifier. Its second name is, it may be called by its name, noun modifier. Okay. Is a word. A determiner, so called a noun modifier, is a word which is used, which is always used, which is used, okay, before a noun or a noun phrase, noun group, noun phrase, or a noun phrase, PHRASE, noun phrase, to indicate in what sense the noun is being referring to. Okay, whether in number or in quantity. Okay, so beta, this is the definition and I would like to re-explain it for you. A determiner, in Hindi निर्धारक, a determiner, so called a noun modifier, is a word. A determiner is a word. A determiner is a word. एक निर्धारक वह शब्द होता है which is used before a noun, जिसको एक नाउन से पहले लगाया जाता है, और ए नाउन फ्रेज, या फिर कंप्लीट एक नाउन फ्रेज होता है, नाउन के साथ लिखे हुए कुछ शब्द होते हैं, टू इंडिकेट इन व्हाट सेंस, किस रूप में, द नाउन इज बीइंग रेफर्ड टू in passive form, is being referred to whether in number or in quantity. So बेटा, this is the definition. आपको ये definition लिख लेनी है. डिटरमिनर की पोजीशन हमेशा नाउन से पहले होती है, ध्यान रखना. A determiner is always seen before a noun or a noun phrase. A determiner is always noticed, found or seen just before a noun or a noun phrase. Okay? It is put before a noun in order to modify the sense of the same. Because a determiner always modifies, changes the nature of the noun, changes the sense of the noun. For example, here is a noun, water. Water is uncountable noun. And I put here the word much. So now the water, okay, the sense of the water has changed into कितना पानी, कितना ज़्यादा पानी, मच वाटर, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी. लिटल वाटर, ना के बराबर पानी. पेन, सिंगल पेन. अ पेन, एक पेन. द पेन, एक पर्टिकुलर पेन. ओके, तो इस प्रकार की जो एक नाउन के साथ में जुड़ करके जो शब्द नाउन को क्वालिफाई करे, नाउन की को डिफाइन करे, नाउन को मॉडिफाई करे, उसकी सेंस को मॉडिफाई करे, इसलिए बेटा आप इसको मॉडिफायर भी कह सकते हैं. डिटरमिनर में बी कॉल्ड अ noun modifier. So now the first question is okay, has been solved by me. Now the question number second. What could be the question number second? I tell you here. Okay, kinds of determiners. Determiners. MINERS. Kinds of determiners. Okay, kinds of determiners. Okay students, the question number first and this is the question number second. Okay, now I would like to write its answer here. Determiners are classified into the following. Okay, 6 kinds or categories. Okay, number 1, article determiners. Article determiners. Number 2 is here. Okay, demonstrative determiners. Number 3 is here. Distributive determiners. Okay. Now I would like to write the name of the fourth one. Fourth one बेटे. Fourth one. This is your attendance list. I have put it away. Fourth one is here बेटे. Numeral determiners. Fifth one is here. Quantitative determiners. Sixth one is here. Possessive determiners. Okay, bete. So here are 6 kinds of determiners whose names are written by me here. The first one is here. Article determiners, in which we include only 2 kinds of articles. Indefinite article, indefinite article. In indefinite article we use the 2 letters, 2 words, a and an. Article and n, and in the definite determiner we in the definite article we use the single one word the. Okay. And demonstrative determiners. In the demonstrative determiners I would like to write the names of these articles also. Article determiners. Okay. So here I should write the names also. A, and the. Okay. Words included. I would like to put here words included. INCLUDED. Words included. Okay. Name of nature of determiners. Names. 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 Okay. Serial number. So now we have got each and every determiner. Demonstrative, distributive. Demonstrative में we write here. Okay. This, that, these, and those. THOS. This, that, these, those. These are the demonstrative. And distributive. In distributive we write here the words each, every, neither, either. Okay. Each, every, neither, either. Distributive. And the next is here numeral determiners we use here. The numeral determiners include the words here few, a few, the few. Okay. Many, many a, more, some, all, several, etc. Here are number of words also. Here are some more words also which we can include here in this type of determiners. Now quantitative: much, little, okay, a little, the little, more, a lot of, etc. Possessive determiners. In possessive determiners we take here the words myself, himself, herself, okay, yourself, my, him, my, his, her, my, his, her, your, okay, etc. These are the possessive determiners. So bete, we have learnt here the names of these determiners and also the words. So I think if you write the names of these all determiners and also write the names of the words which are included in these different kinds of 6 determiners, I think you will surely be able to learn this topic very nicely. And now I would like to tell you here something in oral way. But do you know something about the countable and uncountable nouns? Because while learning this the topic, the determiners, the students or each and every person needs, okay, to have ample knowledge, full knowledge regarding the nature of countable and uncountable nouns. Because in most of the statements we have to check it out whether the noun is countable or uncountable. यदि हमें काउंटेबल अनकाउंटेबल की जानकारी कम है तो बेटा सबसे पहले हमें काउंटेबल अनकाउंटेबल को सीखना पड़ेगा. उसके बारे में मैं आपको मौखिक थोड़ा सा बता देता हूँ कि द नाउन्स विच कैन बी काउंटेड. आई थिंक इट इज़ द चैप्टर ऑफ क्लास 4th and 5th, and this the topic is already has already been learnt by you many times, okay, in the previous examinations. So now I think there is no need to give you many more details regarding the countable and uncountable nouns, but sometimes we get confused. For example, I write here some words here. Difference between part B, between countable and uncountable nouns. Before we start learning these all 6 kinds of determiners in detail, इससे पहले कि हम सभी प्रकार के determiners के बारे में विस्तृत रूप से पढ़ना शुरू करें, we all should know about the nature of the countable and uncountable nouns. So definition, it is very clear. I think there is no need to write the definition here. The nouns which can be counted are called the countable nouns. The nouns which cannot be counted are called the uncountable nouns. So I put here a question first. State whether the following nouns are countable or countable, TABLE, or uncountable. So I write here some words, okay? I write here some words. The words are here: population, traffic, cash, money, 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 okay, children, okay, police, and water, rupees, like this. So better this the word population is uncountable noun because we can't count it. एक दो जनसंख्या में नहीं, हम एक जनसंख्या दो जनसंख्या ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हैं. So this the word is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. This the word is uncountable noun. I will tell you here in the next lecture. Uncountable noun. UN. Uncountable noun. This is countable noun. 5 बच्चे 10 बच्चे we can't countable noun. पुलिस इज ओके. वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा पुलिस थी. क्या लिखेंगे? देयर वॉज मैनी पुलिस या देयर वॉज मच पुलिस. Police stands for the policeman also, but if we take it as a part of the collective nouns, then it will be used as a uncountable noun. But sometimes we can also use a countable noun. Many police, it is not written generally, but it is written much police. Water is uncountable noun. Rupees is countable noun. Suppose I say the population of this city is very dash. Now I would like to give you here 4 options. Many, few, okay, more and much. The population of this city was very much. It is correct, and much is always used with the uncountable nouns. So I would like to define the rules in the next lecture. Okay, till then you should keep yourself fully hale and hearty and connected to your study. Thank you.